already told you that I've been wearing the shoes which you see over here for many years, and it's still working, though some of the material is worn out now after 4 years of using the shoes. Rough use, yeah. And today I got my hands on the brand new pairs of United Colors of Benetton sneakers or shoes, walking shoes or jogging shoes. It's mentioned on the back, and the one you see over here on the bottom is actually made in China. So don't think that Chinese products are bad. It's only the afwa or the wrong information. There are many products of China that are very good, and the one you see over here is made in India. So the brands have different manufacturing units, and they use top class product in China as well as in India.
I was present, hopeless, praying. Struck down at 20, plenty left to pull back.
I'm pretty sure this shoes will also last the same amount of years or days.
That shoes has walked many miles, just so you know. We love you all shoes. Hello new.
So guys, I'll give you the complete review video of this Benetton shoes in the upcoming days. As of now, I just wanted to give you a little glimpse of the brand new Benetton shoes. So welcome
I just wiped
to my world new shoes, and happy birthday to me.